Hi there. So this is your console. Since this is a demo, it doesn't have any sales. Okay. To use the proactive sales skills, go to AI training and then here, proactive sales skills. These are already turned on for you in your console. This means that the AI notices where the shopper is in their journey, and if it is disengaged, it talks to them based on different things, different criterias. It could be the stage they're at, the product they added to the cart, their location, time of day, or if they're a new or returning visitor. So you can see the different stages on of the journey here. The AI already gives personalized approach to help shoppers and guide them along. Now you can add your own touch. You can give the AI special instructions at any of the stages. You can add instructions to all the pages or just one stage. You decide. So let's say we want to add something special to the product page. So let's write that, mention that it is Oktoberfest and that Oktoberfest deals are creating a problem in stock and that they should order quickly before stock runs out. Add an emoji related to the text. Okay, that's great. So now we've given it an instruction. Let's save it and see how it changes the chat on the page. Now this is a product page, right? We'll see how it affected it. So it shows me this floating chat that's supposed to engage the user, that means the shopper, in a friendly way. It says, I see you're looking at the best pillow, which is a product, but it's currently sold out. With October bringing Oktoberfest deals, our stock is disappearing fast, so be sure to check out some similar pillows before they're gone too. So it took my instructions and made the text that would engage the shopper and added an emoji like I asked it to. The purpose here is to get the shopper to click and start the conversation. Now I'm clicking this, and in addition to this text, it gives me a follow-up action, right? These are the chips. The standard ones are browse for more, as you can see, and get a discount. It gives extra options based on what the AI sees on the page, right, of the product and the store information from Shopify. So it gave alternative pillows from the catalog, since the product is here, is sold out, and restock date options. If I added a date when this pillow would be back in stock, I could click on this and get some dates in the chat directly. So you can see it's a personalized approach. It's acting according to the instructions I gave it. This is a great way to keep changing, being more personalized, giving a better experience that's not boring, not dry, and an overall um, getting the shopper to basically shop more, right? For more information, you can visit our website at hellorep.ai. Thank you. Enjoy.